Let's take a look at number 4, number 4a. Two vectors u and v of magnitude 6 centimeters and 4 centimeters respectively form a 40-degree angle as shown below. So let me draw a picture of that. Here's one of the vectors, and here's the other vector. We'll say that, so this is vector v, and this is vector u, and they form a 40-degree angle over here. Now the question is, find the components of vector u and v. So vector u is quite simple. There's no vertical direction. It's entirely horizontal. So the magnitude of u was said to be 6 centimeters. Therefore, vector u has components 6, 0. What this means is the vector moves 6 units to the right and no units vertically. Vector v is a little bit trickier, but not that much more. So let's try to break it up into its components. Here's what it looks like in yellow. Now to find the vertical component over here, I'm going to use SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA. Now, I know the 40-degree angle here. I know that the magnitude of v is 4. Hence, sine, which is opposite over hypotenuse, is going to be what I'm going to use to find the height over here. So this over here is sine of 40 equals opposite, which I'm looking for, I'll call that y, over hypotenuse, 4. Now with cross multiplying, this gives me, that's a really ugly arrow, this gives me 4 times sine of 40 equals y. Now in the calculator, this is equal to, y is equal to 2.57. Similarly over here for the horizontal component over here, we'll use cosine. So cosine of 40 degrees is equal to adjacent, I'll call that x, over hypotenuse, which is 4. And so x equals 4 times cosine of 40. And x equals, with the calculator, 3.06, giving us components of v, 3.06, comma, 2.57. So here you have it, the components of u and the components of v.